Kathy McKenna. I'm a retired nurse and office manager for medical practice.
Rob McKenna, I'm a retired thoracic surgeon.
It was our master bathroom. It's a 100-year-old home, and the space was a good space, just not utilized and didn't have what we needed, from too small a shower to really no bathtub that was functional. I was interested in redoing our bathroom and was doing a Google search, and structural remodeling came up.
We've moved a few times and done a few projects. I have a grandfather who is an architect. So my background gave me a reasonable sense of what it takes to do this and do it successfully. In talking to Kobe, he just seemed to know what he's talking about.
Daily contact with Kobe, and the workers were just amazing. We could tell that they knew what they were doing. We started with an overall design, and I was sold. Kobe just went right to what was going to be the plan for us, and I looked at it and said, we're ready to go.
We've been through this before. We have a reasonable understanding of what it takes to have a project be successful and move along, and he really seemed to fit the bill.
For me, just being able to get a hold of anybody from the office to Kobe when I needed them. You know, there were no lag days. You know, it was just the project just kept moving forward. Great communication and timeline, you know, was met.
I would recommend Structura because things just seem to fit and move along quickly and effectively. We've had remodels done in the past where there were big gaps when nothing happened, but this just kept moving along.
I would recommend Structura for just from the design to the finish, you know, the communication, the details to the plans, the design help, and where to go and pick up things and find things. We never gave up on finding the flooring for my shower. It was just, that was a point that was just so difficult, but Kobe waited for us to find what we wanted, and then we moved forward.